Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So I decided to edit and film this video differently. This is going to be a raw video, so it's very minimum edit. I'm not even saying minimum. There is no edits in this video. You're gonna hear all the back noises. You're gonna hear stuff that you don't normally hear because I usually put music over it, or I edit it out, or I just silence it. You're gonna hear all that. So you're gonna hear a little crying. You're gonna hear and see my kids tasting the food. Maya wanted me to actually make fried chicken instead of air fried chicken. So yeah, made air fried. Lord Jesus, I'm tired. It's like, I don't know, it's 3 something. So y'all can tell I'm really tired. So I made some fried chicken on the stove. It's been a while since I did that. So I was really nervous because I was like, I hope I make it good. It turned out good because I've been air frying everything because I've been on my healthy kick. So I've been making my kids eat air fry stuff too. So, but they wanted some fried chicken. And I know it was good because I was smelling it and I was like, I want some myself, okay? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. I mean, it's already happened, but I'm really just filming the intro because I ain't filmed it yet. So y'all know how that is, okay? Y'all know how it is as a content creator. If you're a content creator, you know. You know? You know. Can you do the top of the dishes since your sister hasn't came back in here? I don't know. All right, so I got the green beans in the back going. And their macaronis is about and the macaroni's water is boiling. I'm gonna fry it. And then you put the hot on. Then you can put the hot wing batter on it. Or I will. What are you doing?
Good.
So, how did y'all like that video? Did you like it? Do you like when I film content like that? Do y'all want to hear the natural sounds of a mom and 5 kids running around? Sometimes you may hear Bentley barking as well. Let me know, okay? Very minimum edits. And the only edit is the intro and the outro because I'm splitting this up into 2 clips. So one can go at the beginning and the other can go at the end. I know I look tired, y'all, but I'm actually drinking coffee. I'm going to edit all these videos. So far, I'm already on a roll. I've edited a couple of them, okay? Your girl's on top of things. Got to get to that money and pay them bills because they're not going to pay themselves. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because that way I know that you are part of my family. Drop in the comments down below a chicken drumstick so I can know that you made it this far. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.